The financial management on myself is about savings money through bank account. Then on that savings money, I tend to open an account on other bank as well for other savings, of which is the uses of bank card count is to allocate of money that I will put on specific allocation. Then um, computation when it comes onto miscellaneous on life, as well as the other expenditure that needs to allocate of money. That is my answer.